Hi guys, Megan Maria and another tutorial that I want to share with you guys. So this tutorial is all about Canva. So if you new Canva, and then you can go ahead guys and follow this simple tutorial that I want to share with you guys. This is image to video. So if you want to create a video or animate any image that you want inside of Canva, then this tutorial is for you. So before you go to my computer, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and please share this video, click the like button so that anyone can learn from this new to Canva. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. Alright, so without any further ado, let's go to my computer and I'll show you guys how you can make an image to video using Canva. Let's do this.
Alright guys, so now we are here in Canva and I created this image to video. So I'm gonna show you guys first before I start creating and show you how you can create your image and transform it into video. So okay, play this one first. I'm gonna play this one first. This is the image I got from my computer and I just uploaded on Canva. Alright, so that is one of the image that I got from my computer. And this image is I got it from the elements. I click the elements and as you see guys here, you will see this little baby. And then I just drag it here and then I just go and create a video for this image. So let's play with this. Alright, so that is how you can create an image to video using Canva. Alright, so now we are here in Canva and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna do the presentation. Alright, and here on your left side, here you can upload the image that you have on your computer. So I'm gonna get one of the image that I just created. Okay, so let's say I'll click this image of me. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this over here. And here, after you created the image that you want, you're going to edit. And here on the edit side, you will see here, guys, there are a lot of tools that you can use. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use image to video. So I'm gonna click this one, and there are two types of that you can choose from this. You can choose a smart to make your image move like a video, but for the custom sizes, you have to describe how you want your video to move. So I'm just gonna click the smart video and then I'm gonna click generate this video. Let's wait for seconds. All right, so now as you see guys, my picture is moving now just like that because I just choose uh the smart option, not the custom. So I can customize this one. So if I want to customize this one guys, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna change. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop this one and then I'm gonna get another one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one again and then I'm going to edit it and image to video. So it's generate 5 seconds, then you can make it 3 if you want to. So let's do the custom size. So what do you want to do for your videos? So describe the idea, motion, effect. So let's say she is doing a sign language. Okay. All right, so as you see, guys, I'm doing a sign language, but I don't know what that means. I'm just showing you guys that you can uh, generate again. You can undo it, but make sure that you have to check your credits for this because there is a credit. Okay, so this is the first one for the smart, and this is the second one if you want to customize it. So here on the elements, the third one is if you want to use Canva elements, then you can just choose which and which that you want. But I just want to let you know, guys, if you are using Canva Pro and you use the one with the crown, it won't generate an image. So you're gonna do is just to find the image that doesn't have a crown so that you can make it animated. Okay, so I'm going back here and let's see, let's type the image that you wanna. Okay, let's get her and I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, I'm just gonna click edit and let's go to image to video and let's generate it. Make sure guys that you choose an element or graphics or images that doesn't have a crown. Okay, there you go. Now, as you see now, hero is moving. All right. So let's go again and generate another one. Okay, this one. And then I'm gonna use the one that has a custom. Okay. So I'm gonna click image to video and let's do the custom and describe what kind of motion that you want. Let's say make her dance. Okay, make her dancing and let's generate a video. There you go. All right, so as you see, guys, you can play around with these guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys how you can use Canva to create image through video.
That's all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So go ahead, guys, go to Canva and try to play with it and the images that you want to animate it and turn it into video. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.